Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of hydration with what I can confidently say is the best water bottle for health available right now. Introducing the WATERH Vita Insulated Smart Water Bottle. This isn't just any ordinary water bottle. It's packed with innovative features designed to revolutionize the way you stay hydrated and take control of your health. Let's talk about what sets the WATERH Vita apart from the rest. First up, it's equipped with a smart sensor that tracks and remembers your hydration habits in real time. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to personalized insights delivered straight to your smartphone via Bluetooth connectivity. Whether you're hitting the gym or hitting the trails, the WATERH Vita keeps you informed and motivated, ensuring you reach your daily water intake goals effortlessly. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: safety. The WATERH Vita is crafted from high-grade stainless steel, ensuring your water stays clean and fresh with every sip. Plus, the BPA-free plastic cap, integrated with an innovative filter, guarantees peace of mind and optimal water quality. Speaking of the filter, it's made of top-grade activated carbon, effectively reducing chlorine and particulates for a cleaner, tastier drinking experience. And don't worry, the filter is easily replaceable for long-lasting use. But wait, there's more. The WATERH Vita isn't just smart and safe, it's also incredibly portable. Its sleek design and flip lid make it the perfect companion for your on-the-go lifestyle. Plus, it fits perfectly in standard cup holders and backpack pockets for added convenience. Whether you're at work, at the gym, or exploring the great outdoors, the WATERH Vita ensures you're always hydrated and ready for whatever life throws your way. So there you have it, folks. The WATERH Vita Insulated Smart Water Bottle is not only the best water bottle for health but also a game-changer in the world of hydration. Say goodbye to dehydration and hello to a happier, healthier you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on must-have products like the WATERH Vita. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay healthy.